What's up guys, it's time to look at the new Huawei leaked images. The new leak shows the real life image of the device, how it looked from the front side. Despite having the cover on the device, we may see some of the cool things regarding the front and at least one side of the device. If we look at closely, we see screens have a dramatic curved display, which further confirming Mate 30 Pro will come with a waterfall display. A noticeable thing on the front panel, we see a text sliding on the edges of the screen, and the content which we are viewing might get cross the edges, which brings to the point how accidental touches will be managed. Dental touches must be managed properly before it will create headache not managed correctly. On the side we also see a red button, which in my opinion will be a power button for the Mate 30 Pro. While the device is covered with the case, despite that we see two holes on the top side of the cover, in which smaller hole may be a noise cancellation mic and the bigger hole will surely be all people favorite dedicated micro headphone jack. So we will be confirmed about the inclusion of headphone jack when looking at the Mate 30 Pro image. Mate 30 Pro will come with a notch which hold a selfie camera, an iris scan which is used for the face unlock and for a beautiful emoji. Moving on the right side, we see a large flash, but if you look at the camera, it is covered with the case. By the camera, we see a circular shape rather than the square shape, which was introduced in Mate 20 Pro. The back cover and the leaked case looks a lot bigger, which is pretty much due to the dual 40 megapixel camera sensor. Coming along with that, we have a standard 40 megapixel, while the other one is a 40 megapixel of wide angle high quality sensors. Along with telephoto lens, we also have a depth sensor camera, which takes a lot of space. Both Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro will include 7nm Kirin 985 processor, which will be running on Android and have a dual SIM slot. The Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro have received certification on TINA and Bluetooth SIG since their date for Android license is expiring on 19 August, and there are rumors that they may get an extension up till December. Either the case, if they don't get, then we may see Harmony OS inside Huawei Mate 30 Pro instead of Android. A Chinese broker has tipped on a Weibo that the Huawei Mate 30 will support 25 watt of fast charging. If this is true, it could beat the Xiaomi 20 watt wireless fast charging and become the world's first 25 watt fast wireless charging. So as far as release date is concerned, Huawei will launch its next big thing in Germany on 19 September. So all in all, these are the leaks which are coming from different sources. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.